Hey, hello. How are you? Today I will show you how you can add a new product, basic product on WordPress WooCommerce part. For this, you need to go WordPress dashboard, then find the option WooCommerce here. You can see it's the WooCommerce. Okay, so there you can see product section. You should click on the product section. It's pretty similar to a create a post on WordPress. So it's just need to important thing, uh, uh, give the product title with focus keyword like what you want. Okay, brand new, Apple smart watch for men. For men. So this will be the you know and description will be like something like that. Any anywhere you can copy the description. So let me copy from this website here. Here there are gadget item. Okay, this is the section, smartwatch section here. Okay, it is the demo, description for the product. So you just added this, and the important part is set the image, product image. As example, like set this image. It's the main image, and these are for sub product image like this four. Okay. Category you can categorize or create a new category like gadget. Okay, tag, it's very important. Smart watch, you can add more tag if you want. And the regular price like it's $20, and sale price will be 15, and everything, inventory, shipping, you can wide this shipping. Kg, it will be 200 gram. Length will be like 5 inch, wide will be 2 inch, height will be 2 inch, something like that. And other thing all are good, but also there is option for product SEO. If there is option, other option for product SEO. Okay, so just published here. So it's the basic physical product adding procedure. But if you have a digital product or course, something like that, then we have to use another plugin or another system. If you want, I can show you, but it's the basic way. I hope this video will help you about WordPress product upload. When you update, it will added the new product on website. You can see this is the product, physical product. If you have a digital product, then it will be similar like that, but it have the different option like